Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Uh, in today's video, we are going to talk about making a partial profit taking robot. It's a partial profit taking robot. On this channel, we are about turning your strategies into Forex robots. So there are videos on this channel where I show you how to easily turn your profitable Forex trading strategy into a Forex robot that you can either use yourself or even sell it. And you can do that for free, and you don't need to be a coder. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to know any MQL4, MQL5 coding language. So there are various Forex EA builders online that you can use. Some of them are free, some of them are partially free, and you can basically turn your trading strategy into a robot. So for today's video, uh, what we have is a theoretical situation where, for example, let's say we did our good analysis and we saw that price was going to continue going up, and we took a buy somewhere there. Let's just make it blue. I hope you can see that. Let's say we took our buy there, and we set our TP at the next zone there. Let's just make that line. That's our TP, that's our entry. But as you know, in trading, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. You might have your spectacular trading strategy, your spectacular analysis, and everything. But I always tell people the market will do whatever the market wants to do. It doesn't care about your strategy. It doesn't care about your analysis. It doesn't care about who you are. The market does what the market wants to do. So it's not guaranteed that the price will reach our TP. So what do we do to protect ourselves is we take partial clauses. We take a partial clause. We take partial profit. So it's up to you. You determine where you're going to take partial profit. For example, in this situation, I would definitely aim for around this area, the midpoint. That's where I would aim to first take a partial profit. Let's say I entered with a standard lot here. When we come here, I probably take 0.50 off the table. In case price does not go there and it decides to reverse against me, I don't lose everything. That's the approach. That's the approach. And you can also do this with your stop losses. It's not just with take profit levels. You can actually also do like partial closing for your stop loss, so that price doesn't all go all the way to take out your stop loss. You can basically reduce your risk. So we are going to just quickly do a robot that does this for us. Whenever we have a position running, it then works in the background, and when it reaches our level for a partial close, it just takes maybe 50% off of that trade, and it lets the remainder reach our TP or whatever happens in the market. Or it takes 0.75 of our position and leaves the 0.25 to see if it can reach our TP, whatever you said, whatever you have said. Okay, so let's go to Fxdreema. Fxdreema is one of the EA builders that we actually use. You can watch the videos on this channel after finishing watching this one, how you can easily turn your winning Forex strategy into a Forex robot that you can use for yourself, or you can actually sell using this free EA builder. Fxdreema is actually free only for MetaTrader 4, and I think below 10 blocks you need to have minimum 10 maximum 10 blocks for it to remain free. Not that you pay a lot to make robots for MetaTrader 5 is a small amount. I don't want to say the amount in case people who are going to watch the video in the future and they come here, the amount has changed, then they think that wow, what's happening here. So it's a small amount that you can easily recover if your robot is profitable and if you decide to sell your MT5 robot. But we are going to do this example in MetaTrader 4 because it's simple and it's free. Okay. So we have our theoretical approach here that we want to do. Now, how do we do it as a robot? So where we want to go is we want to come to this section that says look for trade and orders, and we need to be in the on tick section because we want to do this as the ticks are coming into our chart. You can use constants and inputs, but the goal of this channel is to try and keep everything simple. The constants and inputs, they make everything neat. You can use them, you cannot use them, but your robot will still work. But I'm just trying to make these things simple, very simple, or at least just point you in the right direction. Then you can go ahead and then other play with all the other blocks, but I'll just have given you the right direction. So if you have a Forex robot that you want us to try and turn into a Forex strategy, sorry, that you want us to try and turn into a robot, leave your idea in the comment section below. If you think people are going to steal your idea, well, you can just leave part of the idea. Then I will show you in the video the direction you need to take. Then you can basically just come here and do everything else that you did not mention in the comment section below. Okay. So what we want to do is, first of all, we are going to take this block that says for each trade. We're just going to double click and go in there, and we're going to go. We're going to leave this. We don't mind about that. We don't mind about that. Here it says symbol mode specified. Let's make it any symbol. We want it to trade on any currency pair that will be trading, and it's going to be doing this on buys and sells. And look direction, we're going to start with the oldest, with the newest to oldest. I think we need to start with oldest to newest, or maybe we can set it to profitable first. That is if you actually don't have a single position here. Maybe you have a couple of positions here, then definitely we'll start with the most profitable. That's what we are going to use to take our that's going to be the first position to see a partial profit taken off. Then we come here where it says filter by group. What we want to do in here is click on there, and here we want to say all trades, whether they've been opened by a robot or we have opened them manually. We want this thing to manage all our trades, and we updated. Then we are going to look for the block pips away from take profit. You can use pips away from take profit, or you can use pips away from open price. It's up to you. Pips away from take profit, we are going to use this going backwards. So if our take profit is let's say 100 pips, and then on 100%, we are going to say 50 pips from our 100 pips, 100 pips take profit is definitely 50%, and that thinking. So it's up to you. Choose what you want. Pips away from take profit or pips away from the open price. The open price, obviously, we are looking at the number of pips away from our uh, entries there. Maybe let's use a pips away from open price. So let's just right click and delete that, and we go in there, and we're going to link the two blocks together. That's all that you need to do with Fxdreema, the EA builder. We double click, we go in there, and we are going to say direction. We don't mind much about this. Pips away from what happened to. So you can play around with some of this, but anyway, the price reference that we're going to be using is definitely ask price for buys and bid price for sales. You can tick some of these things if you feel you want to play with them in MetaTrader 4 without coming back to MetaTrader 5. But maybe let's leave those ones out. Um, this says what? Current trade. Yeah, let's leave that. So, how many pips away from our entry? That's what we are asking here. Or you can use percentage of current TP. It's up to you. You use fixed value or use percentage of current TP. So we are saying our TP is 100%. You can say when it has moved 20% or it's moved 50% or it's moved 75%, whatever you decide here, you can use fixed value, which is basically in pips. If our take profit is 100 pips, we are saying maybe when our price is moved 50 pips, then we want to take partial profit. So let's maybe just leave it like that. Then the next block that we'll need for this is once per trade order. We just link the two. We double click and go in there, and we're going to say yes, and we're going to update. That's all that you need to do for that block. And we're going to say close partially. That's then what's going to happen. That's then what's going to happen for us. And we're just going to link it like that, and we're going to double click and we're going to go in there. Value mode, we say it says percentage of current volume, but we had set for fixed volume. When it has moved, our, let me close this, double click going there. When it has moved 50 pips away from our opening price, what do we want it to do? Double click. So you can use a percentage of our position. We say let's remove 50% of our standard, or you can say let's use fixed volume. Basically, how many lots are we taking out? Or but percentage, I think, is fine. You can use current volume or initial volume, but I think percentage is fine. Then slippage, we know what slippage is. You can just tick this if you want to change it on MetaTrader 4 side without coming at Fxdreema. Color of where it's going to mark, because when it takes a partial close, it's just going to leave a little mark or arrow to say that here we did a partial close. So you determine the color for that arrow, then we update. That's all that you need for this robot. Then we come here and we name our robot. We call it partial profit taker, and done. And we go ahead and we download our source code and our executable file, and we go ahead and we put it on our on our MetaTrader 4. If this video has helped you and given you some ideas, go ahead and like the video. If you have strategies and things that you want us to talk about, definitely leave your comments in the comment section below. I try as much as I can to answer your questions, and I can try to make videos showing you how to do the thing that you want us to do, or the thing that you have in mind using these EA builders. Okay, I will check you in the next video. Bye, guys.